What is going on, everyone? This is Moto Noir, and I'm out in Red Hook, Brooklyn, at one of my favorite spots to come chill. It's just a quiet little park area, old industrial area. You can see the Statue of Liberty out there, and a nice little storm rolling in, so it's time to get going. And these tracks through here are actual old train tracks. Look at these old industrial buildings, man. They're just super cool. Back when I had my Honda Rebel, I used to come out here and take pictures of the bike. So you're not really allowed to do, but I did it anyways. And look at this thing. Look at this old subway car, man. Forever resting in this spot. And these old industrial buildings, these are actually just now basically loft areas, studios for artists and things like that. And here's my bike. I have a little update on my bike. If you guys remember, I had a flat tire coming back from Long Island. So I took that opportunity to just buy new tires. So I got Michelin Road 5s on the front and rear. But that's not the only thing I did. I also got new handlebars. Thanks to my buddy Justin, who also has a YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and link his channel here. These are his old bars on his XSR700. And the reason I swapped out the bars was because the stock bars on the XSR700 are so far swept back. Like, there's a major sweep there. And I was sitting so upright. When I wanted to be more forward, it's actually more comfortable for me to be further forward. Red Hook is such a cool area, man. Hometown barbecue right there. And then we're gonna ride by one of my favorite seafood spots in all of New York. It's the Red Hook Lobster Pound. That place is dope. It's so good. The food there is so fresh. It's insane. You know, these new tires, when I first rode on them the very first time, I thought something was wrong. Just that I had so much grip, and I was not used to having so much grip. It was a little jarring for me at first, actually. Literally so much so that I actually thought something was potentially wrong. Man, come on. Not one, but two cars double parked. Yes, of course. We still here in Brooklyn. Oh man, and here's the Lobster Pound, but of course you're not going to be able to see it. It's trucks and crap. Oh, yeah, they got everything set up there. Look at that. Nice. Oh, good God. All right, enough of that mess. Jeez. Okay. And these bars, man, these bars are so good. It's just so much more comfortable to be sitting a little bit more forward in a little bit of a more aggressive stance than sitting straight up for me. It was very apparent that I needed to make a switch. God, everyone just wants to go really stinking slow today. And there's also the fact that I am massively impatient. And we'll go down Union because that's where Union Garage is. Everyone knows that I love Union Garage. There is no hiding that. That is a fact, bud. Right here. Union Garage. Beautiful. And just to give you guys a little update, I'm still gainfully unemployed. gainfully unemployed, but things are looking up. I've actually set up a few interviews. Still interviewing with that very large company. So we'll see how that goes. I'm feeling really good about things. I have no money. So that's really the only thing that I'm still worried about. But maybe I'm not so worried about it. I'm still just loving life, doing my thing. When can I pick up the highway here? It's been a while since I rode in this area. I remember when I first moved to Brooklyn, I walked around this area and because my old apartment, or my first apartment here, was not very far from here. And I walked down here and I was kind of like, wow, geez, Brooklyn is so much different than Manhattan. And it really is. Brooklyn is like its own thing, you know? Can't do that shit. There we go. And that is how you get to the highway from Red Hook. Alright, cool. Oh, great. And now it's going to be traffic. Yay! Dope. Dope. Well, time to lane split, guys. Alright, tuck those in and then prepare to demolish this traffic. And that's how you do it. Stage 1, demolition. Stage 2, upcoming. Let's see. Yeah, okay, I can make this. Good. I don't like splitting too aggressively, but you know, sometimes you gotta be a little aggressive. And announce your presence. Oh man, I really want to watch that show, but it's on freaking Apple Plus. I don't have Apple Plus. And Apple Plus has a really good thing going for itself, you know, that you can't share, you know, your login or without giving your Apple ID login. I mean, that's horrible. Ted Lasso. All right, come on, peeps, come on. We can do this. I believe in us. I sure do. Let's do it. Etsy. There's a company I interviewed with before my old job. Would love to work for them. Just a cute little company. Oh, raindrops. I feel it. All right. So now we're going to chase. Oh, police officer coming this way. Yep. Oh man, big drops. Big drops. Okay. Alright. So we are going to race the rain home. Hopefully we don't run into too much traffic. Whee! Okay. Now I got around him. Oh man. Alright. These are big drops of rain. Holy crap. Alright. Let's get home before the roads get too bad. Alright. There we go. Now we're flying. Let's beat this rain. Oh, what are you doing? Why are you using your brakes? Come on. Ah, potato heads. Literally. God. I always have to be so aggressive with everyone. I don't like it. I just want to be chill. But, you know, people really have a hard time driving. It's just ridiculous. I mean, look at that gap. Jeez, people. And we'll slow down there and go. Bam. Avoid the debris in the road. Oh, these tires just stick. Look at all that traffic over there, man. Thank goodness I'm not in that. You'd have one very unhappy Moto Noir. Ah! Well, it looks like I'm just barely gonna beat this rain. My God, these drops are so big it actually hurts. Whew. All right. Almost there. Almost there. Anyways, kids, I'm gonna park at the garage. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Love you guys. Catch you later. And here comes the rain. Oh boy.